Hey guys, Morbo here, and in this tutorial I will show you a quick and easy way to transform the color of a car. Now what I have here is a nice yellow Ferrari. Unfortunately it's not mine, but I want to change the color to red. So I found this image, it's yellow, but you know, Ferrari just looks nicer in red. So what I need, or what I'm gonna do, is I'm gonna click on my rectangle tool. I'm just gonna make a rectangle, and if I go up here and go to fill, I can pick any color I want, but I want the brightest red that I can find. Click OK. So now I have just a stupid rectangle. I want to make another rectangle, and now this rectangle, as a fill, I want to pick the color of the car, but not where the white lines of the lights, like studio lights and reflections are, but just like this thing right here, the yellowish. So that's the entire setup that we need to do. So this is the original color of the car. This is the color that I wanted it to be afterwards. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put these two together so it forms a line here, and I'm also going to zoom in already a little bit that I can see these better. Now you go down here to take a hue saturation adjustment layer, and you click this hand stuff thingy. These are, you know, the correct terms for it. And when you click it and then pick the yellow color, it's gonna show you like 3 layers, or like 3 separate slider stuff down here. Now what I mostly do is I take my hue and turn it all the way to the left, and then see, so this is my original car, and I slide this all the way to the left till the car actually turns blue, because it's blue that I want it to be. And then with this other slider I turn it all the way to the other side. So what I want to do is now turn this thing all the way to the right until I can see my red layer again, because this is very important that this one stays the exact layer that you want. So if you go too far, you can see that it disappears and it also turns blue, so we don't want that. But you can see now the car is totally selected in the blue. See, if we go a bit more to this, it's not selected anymore. So this is perfect. Now the only step that we still need to do is with the hue slider, we're just going to slide to the right until this matches this one. So what this does, as you can see, just pay attention to the rectangles, not the car. We just go to red, towards red, and this is too far, this is getting orange. This is already getting really close, so we can saturate it a bit. And when you see that the line starts to disappear, so this line is totally gone now, that means that we actually got rid of, you know, the yellow. So if we zoom out now, we can see, if we put this away, our yellow car is now red. Now this is a layer mask, so what we can do, if you can see the logo Ferrari, it's also gone, but that's okay. What we can do is actually select it with just, you know, normal select tools or any select tool that you want. And when you paint black over it, because it's a layer mask, it just reveals what's underneath it, which is, you know, the original layer. Now I did a sloppy job right here, but we can always, you know, do this, I guess, like so. And then when you zoom out now, if I can find the zoomy tool, what you have now is, you know, the red Ferrari. If you want, you can see the rims, they also changed color. So I'm just gonna pick my brush, paint black over it, and there you go, the original yellow is there. And that's it. That's all there is to change the color of a car. No need to cut it out and paste it and cut the windows out. So this is how the car looked like, and just with a slight a slightly adjusted hue saturation layer, this is how the car looks like afterwards. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I see you guys next time. Bye bye.